Okay, dear student, today we are just about to tell you ceremony of English Day celebration, and now we are just going to tell a great prize distribution ceremony is also present in front of you. First of all, I want to tell you that if any student will get the prize at that moment, you'll have to big clap for all the students that is present in this ceremony, and we are just about to tell that this is a very good performance was done by all the students on English Day. We are just about to keep a good and nice prize for all these students, and you should clap big clap for on the success of this student. And now he has written in English and in mathematics also good marks. He got the good marks. That's why you'll have to big clap for all these students. Thank you and be active. Now ceremony is about to continue. और क्लैपिंग की जाती है. छोटा सा तोहफा अच्छे से परफॉर्मेंस किया. ये वाले परफॉर्मेंस पर ऐसे कमाल करें. Happy English Day to everyone. Okay, today we are celebrating our English Day, and this was a very good chance. Every student got the chance for taking prize on the winning prize on your test. Okay, but I think I'm wishing to everyone you should get many marks for next test, and you should win your prize. Okay, student, today I'm just telling you a great and an important information. Now we are just telling that it's English Day, English language day today, and now a student presented a kind of information. English Day celebration. Here is written, English Day is celebrated on William Shakespeare's birthday, and here is a quotation also present. This quotation is, hard work is the key of success, and many other quotation is present. Here is written English Day. And next, okay, today we are looking here 23rd April. On every year 23rd April we celebrate English language day, and here is a quotational things in English and Hindi, both language. It is written here, where there is will there is way, जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. And next, all power is within you. You can do everything and anything and everything. स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की स्पीच है. और इस तरह से जिनका आज बर्थडे है उनकी खुद की लिखा हुआ उनका खुद का एक स्टेटमेंट है, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, ओनली थिंकिंग मेक इट सो. I think here is written Hindi of these sentences. और विलियम शेक्सपियर साहब का लिखा गया है. नेक्स्ट, बुक्स डेवलप आवर माइंड बट गेम्स डेवलप आवर माइंड एंड बॉडी बोथ. ये स्टेटमेंट है, इससे हम लोग को कुछ न कुछ सीख मिलनी चाहिए. इसकी हिंदी भी लिखी गई है. और नेक्स्ट है, हैंडसम हु डू हैंडसम वर्क. अच्छा वही होता है जो अच्छा कार्य करता है. This is the first page, and now we should convert second page. It is the quotation already you have studied. Nothing is impossible in this world, only thinking make it so. Father of drama, William Shakespeare. And next, ego is not important in life, but self-respect is most important. Such type things is present in English. And next, okay, this is the answer. Why do we celebrate English Day or English Language Day. English Day is celebrated on the birthday of great English writer William Shakespeare. He was born on 23rd April 1564 in England, Warwickshire upon Avon, and he was died on 23rd April 1616. Okay, next he has written 154 sonnets in the form of not Petrarchian, because Petrarch was father of sonnet, but in Shakespearean sonnet we can say it is written in quadrant and in the form of a couplet, 3 quadrant and 1 couplet. And next, work is worship and God worship is not work, his work is worship. Here is a big information present in English language. Figure of speech, this is very important for the student of class 9th, 10th and 11th and 12th. This is the figure of speech, and we are just about to tell into Hindi. It is called Alankar, and all 7 figures of speech, it means that is present in the syllabus of UP board, that is included in shampoo. And shampoo is not that is used every day for in the time of taking bath, but it is the shortest form of figure of speech that is present in the syllabus of 11th. Here is full form: S for simile, H for hyperbole, and A for apostrophe, M metaphor, P personification, O oxymoron, and O onomatopoeia. As definition of figure of speech: a figure of speech is a deviation from ordinary use of the words with a view or to increasing their effect, or a figure of speech works as an ornament is called. This is the characteristics of figure of speech. This is all about this excellent performance, and now you will get next information next day in your English. Okay, we continue. On English Day, we are just about to keep this a good and nice prize for all these students, and you should clap big clap for on the success of this student. And now he has written in English and in mathematics also good marks. He got the good marks. That's why you'll have to big clap for all these students. Thank you, and be active. Now ceremony is about